Not everyone is watching videos with the sound on, and the most engaging way to catch their attention is to use word-by-word subtitles. And today I'm gonna show you how to do it for free. So let's dive in. All right, so I finished recording my video. I put it in this folder on my desktop. Next, I will go to the terminal. I will navigate to this folder using CD desktop subtitles, and after that I will execute whisper after this the name of the video file with these parameters: a language English, word timestamps true, max words per line 1, output format SRT. And after a couple of seconds, Whisper will generate subtitles for me. You can ignore everything that you see here as warnings. Now it's done. Now you can see you have a new file created here, video SRT. This is our subtitles file. You can use also this file to upload this as a subtitles on YouTube. One thing I want to do here is to change the starting time code to 000. Okay, now we are navigating to the DaVinci Resolve. Let me just drag and drop these two files to DaVinci. I'll create a new timeline. I will bring the video and I'll bring the subtitles track. Now you can see that it is synchronized with the video. Not everyone is watching videos with the sound on, and the most engaging way to catch their attention. Cool. Here we can do some small adjustments. When I click on the subtitle track, I can go to the track, and here I can add the background. Let's change the color here to maybe something like orange. Let's change the opacity. Maybe let's change the position, maybe somewhere over here. We can also change the size. Not everyone is watching videos with the sound on, and the most engaging. Cool. So we are done. Now, maybe you're wondering, how did I get this whisper? And you can install it on Mac using pip install OpenAI Whisper. This will install the Python package. And you can find more ways to install Whisper. You can find Whisper on OpenAI page. Then let's navigate to code. And here is the setup and DaVinci Resolve. You can download for free for Mac and Windows, I guess. All right, now you know. So if you like this video and it's somehow helpful to you, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and write in the comments below if you have any additional questions about videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.